Oh.
Oh, you missed that.
I know.
This is awesome.
Oh my god, no. Anybody right behind us?
Yes, there is somebody right behind us.
Okay.
Yes.
My weirdness.
So this is Minnie Locker. I was pointing to her when I said that. What? No, you're funny. Nope.
Oh my god, no.
Remember why I'm here. I'm here for Guza. Yummy.
Monkey. What? Monkeys.
Yummy.
Rainbow monkeys.
This way.
Where are we going now? Oh, this way.
I want to check them girls again.
We're lost in skill.
We've just been walking around for hours doing nothing but this and we're bored.
I gotta pee.
Okay, are you going to film this?
No, I'm not going to film it.
You should film it.
Film your face.
No, film your pee.
Ew. You nasty.
I can be.
It's awkward. Let me turn it this way.
Yes. Really?
I don't know. I'm just bored.
I think I see the light. Blinded by the light.
There's people right behind us.
Wait, come back here.
There's people right behind us. There's people right behind us.
I think it goes up.
Oh!
No!
I just ran into the water fountain. Ow. Oh my god. I ran into the water fountain. I got that on camera too. I got that on camera too.
We forgot my mission being here. So
anyhow, I ran into the water fountain and it hurt. Where are we going? At the stairs?
I don't know, pick a way.
Ooh,
I need to
the
go
stairs
see
look pretty.
I look old. I look old in this. Oh my god, I have white hair. No, my hair. That's what I have to do to fix my hair. It's so awesome. I'm a dude. Now, if I do this, my hair's messed up.
And when I do this, your face is messed up.
Tickles, man. You tickled my hair. Oh my god. Wait. Poke.
Her face. Good thing I got that on camera too. That freaking water fountain hurt.
Yeah, don't do that on purpose.
I didn't mean to. Man, if Gozo wasn't there, we would record him.
Dang it, Doug.
Phone on phone motion. Wait. Phone on phone motion. Phone on phone motion.
You're killing your boyfriend, really?
If I am, because he's Smexy. Smexy! Nom 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 nom.
Don't make out with my phone.
Ew, that sounds nasty.
Nope.
I'm not going to run into no damn water fountain no more because that hurt.
Oh, guess what?
No.
Look, it's a water fountain.
That one hurt.
I bet that one will hurt. You're not allowed that one?
Wait.
Nope. You're going to record yourself here.
No, I'm not.